Sold and sold. That's what they wanted for it. Oh wow, this one's sold too.
Here we go. All right. Don't forget, next month, January, first Sunday, is our swap meet.
He's walking around.
He is? Do you know if it runs?
Yeah, that thing sits there.
Hey, where's the guy at?
He's out walking up.
Or is that him over here? I can't tell. I don't.
Got a number on there. Call that number.
Yeah, it runs. He starts it up.
New Yorker.
Transmission?
It's a Hemi. Oh, it's nice on the inside too. Like that. Yeah. Got that patina too. Oh, the Google Man light. Can we see in there? Oh yeah, nice.
And put under the kickstand.
Oh, okay, so he could have it.
And I figured you'd come back.
No, not stole. It'd be like just took and used, but yeah.
Pennsylvania.
Is that for does it have a laser on it or something?
This one's not for sale, but let's thought I'd get it in here. Nice little car. Like the wheels.
Yeah, 76.
8,800 is what they want for it. So they got a bunch of receipts. Interesting. Got a Phantom grill in the back for the tailgate would be welded shut. No number.
How you doing?
All right. What's your number on this? Phone number for it.
518.
Mm-hmm.
518. 461.
461
1501.
1501. You have a phone number? You have a phone number? You have a phone number?
My husband, where is he?
I just needed a phone number for a friend of mine. If you got
His number. I called him, but I don't have his. It's 407
407
577
577
07
07
02.
02. All right. Appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, Juan.
Juan? Oh, there's Juan. Okay. Oh, I know somebody people that might be interested in, so I just
Okay.
needed a phone number.
Yeah, he's a.
Hard one?
I'm going to hold on pick
Yeah,
up.
but she gets
407 577 0702.
Okay. Yeah.
No, I don't remember. I had the thing. That's what it was. Wouldn't have found it, but yes, sir.
This guy has the prices on a board over there, so I'll get to that in a second. Oh, you can open the door? Okay, cool. I bought. Was the cat in here?
No.
Oh man, you got the 440. All right. Sell this to me for $5. Made in US. Alright, here we go. Here's the price. It's a Coronet. I mean the Chrysler there. And there's his number. This guy just pulled up not too long ago. Any wheels I need? No. He's got no number on though. This is one clean car. You know, I'm not a fourth gen kind of guy, but
Try to sell it.
it's nice.
25.
It's nice. Oh, I hope the sound of this truck will kind of drown out that that music. see a number on it. Unfortunately. It's clean though. No engine though. Oh, let's see if I can get this car before that music comes on. Liver for fuel. It's got an inline six in it. Let's see some of these in the car corral section. No number on it. It's pretty nice. Like the wheels that the ones I bought. I think those are the Magenta ones. Just like a Monte Carlo. I totaled one of these back in the 90s.
That's his last call.
I put it right into the corner of a guardrail. It saved me from going into the canal. Terry don't look bad. Long bed.
How you doing?
All right. All right. Sure. Let's get it. Terry. Custom camper 20. The A350. Turn it on there so you guys can hear it. Pressure's moving too. Got the AC running? Yeah. Yeah, it works. Right.
And some other stuff.
Still running on
Evaporator, receiver, dryer. Still running what?
you turn it over to R134 or 134?
No,
It's R12?
12.
Okay.
Probably right now, the people where I'm at still got some of that,
Yeah.
but it probably should.
Yeah, I've got a few cans still left over. So.
It's kind of hard to come by.
Yeah, my brother's car still runs on R12, so that's why I keep it around. This thing sold in out of Miami?
I think so.
Yes, that's Miami.
They had that on there, and there's one on the other side, but it's missing. Somebody had over there.
Yeah. Sounds good. Like the original Florida truck then, huh?
Yeah. As far as I know, I'm not the original owner, but as far as I know, it's.
Yeah.
I think it's all the.
5% left. So I'll get what I can.
That's fine. I don't mind taking this home. I just offer you something more realistic for her. You get what I'm saying? That's pretty though. She's pretty. She runs great. Okay. I think it's time to get her out of the hot rod.
Go
I mean, it's a
around
hot
the,
rod, but it's a rod.
go around the other way to get the number on it.
Not too much power, but just enough. But I think it's a fair deal. And I'll deal with the hot rod. Clean it up, paint it.
I don't know about that body work on that car. He said he's here till tomorrow. And he doesn't have a problem taking it home. The red Mopar over there, obviously. No drivetrain. Now check out this Cadillac. Whew. Look at this thing. Yes. Hey. Oh, wasn't expecting that. See that engine.
Yeah, nice LS in there.
Yeah.
That's a good word.
Whew, look at that thing.
When I've talked to some people, they said tomorrow will be busy. I know, a lot of people already filled up. These guys want to give this thing away just to get rid of it. 1,500 best out.
Well, I think he said that that Mopar next to that Caddy's a 1,500 or best offer. There's no info on this one. Dang. Oh well. Right? No. Did I see this car already at? I may have already seen this one at Daytona. I like it though. I especially like that air cleaner.
Well, the thing about it is a week going by, so we're running, and I'm waiting to whatever what I want to do. This guy wants to get the phone number, people want to run, and I don't want to sit around and he's going to let the time, and you have to figure out a way to go to safety.
$20,000. It's nice. That's a nice car. Dealer. Well, that's gonna do her. My phone's about to die, 2%. So there's the info on her. I love the door handles on these. All right, people. For the next one.